Let's take a look at this problem. 8x excuse me, minus 5y is equal to 40. And it says use the intercepts to graph this. Well, if we look at our x-intercept, to find the intercepts, you always plug 0 into the other variable. So plug 0 in for y. So we got 8x minus 5 times 0 is equal to 40. 5 times 0 is 0, so that drops away. And we got 8x is equal to 40. Divide both sides by 8. And you get x is equal to 5. Now, looks like you put it at 6. But for a y-intercept, you always plug 0 in for the other variable, so I'll plug 0 in for x. So I got 8 times 0 minus 5y is equal to 40. 8 times 0 drops away, so we got negative 5y is equal to 40. Divide both sides by negative 5. And we get y is equal to negative 8. So to graph this, if I zoom this out here, I can move this. That's since this is 4 and this is 8, that looks like you put it at 6. So I'm move that back to 5 right there. This one's negative 8. And I'm not sure why it's not. Oh, I got to choose this. Here it is. And now I move that to, well, let me just clear it. There we go. Okay, so x equals 5. So I'll do my line here, and I'll put it where I think 5 is. Again, that would be 6, so this is 5. Now notice as I put my mouse there, in the upper right-hand corner it says 5, 0. Okay, so that's my first point. Now my next point is that y is equal to negative 8. So I come down here, and I put it at negative 8. Then click Save, and then check Answer. Okay, now your question was about the instructions. That's just how to come up with the graph using the intercepts. If we had a different problem, and it passed through the origin, like this, then your x-intercept would be 0, 0, 0, if I put it in point form. Your y-intercept would also be 0, 0. Now, unfortunately, you have to have 2 points in order to draw a graph. So if it goes through the origin, then we have to actually plot another point. And once we have that point, and then this point through the origin, we could draw a line. And that's what it's referring to when it says, if only one intercept exists, use it and find another point to draw the line. When they say only one intercept exists, the only way that'll happen is if it passes through the origin.